turkey cutout.
And what sound does a turkey make, Charlie?
Go, 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 go!
That was rubbish. So, today we've got Nissan Navara with the usual issues of the snappy chassis. It has had welding before on the chassis to try and strengthen it. A few years back, it needs sorting out, cutting out properly now and plating up. So we're going to start off with pulling the tub off so we can actually get to the chassis nice and neatly. It's only a couple of bolts and a couple of plugs of wires and it lifts off, so we should get that done quite quickly. But it's not snap, but whilst I was under it a couple of weeks ago, I noticed it wasn't the best of places. As you can see, there's a bit of movement there, just by me kneeling on it, and I'm not that fat bastard.
Took the butt off, which was bloody heavy, can I just say. And now I'm cleaning everything up, prepping it, and then I'm going to cut some plates to size and repair it because it is snapping further along from where it was originally repaired. So it's, you know, the first repair is absolutely fine. It's the chassis a bit further this way that's got weak.
Can you see the crack?
You can see, where's the tool? So obviously you got this hole here, so I'll cut a big bit out there and put a plate in it, and then there's a crack along here.
Oh, so that's where it's flexing on.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do a big plate, butt it up to this, like a nice, the old repair's here. Right. So it's, you know, it's nothing to do with that. That's still absolutely solid. But it's, you know, they're shit chassis. They're not strong at all. They're weak. They're now known for it, and they're shit. So yeah, I'll fucking great big plate, which I've got over there that's thick. Some nice welds on it, and then treat it after so it doesn't rust. Meow, can you do me a massive favour? Can you swap that for me? There's one already up there on charge. Thanks! Nice one!
So I suppose you're never going to cure rust if there's rust still there. So even if you just welded a plate over that now, would the rust just still be there?
Yeah. With something like this, yes, the whole chassis has been wax oiled, but all these little breather holes, you know, they let all the water out and stuff like that. Water gets in there still, and it stays in there, making it very wet, which is how you get rust. And, you know, if you're not going to be able to get rid of that unless you put a new chassis in or spend a lot of time sorting it out. You know, to get rid of all of this crap in here, you cut little bits from the bottom of the chassis and blow it through, and it's a lot of effort. To someone, it's worth it, but, you know, I mean, to my truck, for instance, Old Yellow, I spent a lot of time on that chassis. It was fucked, basically, and I've spent a lot of time on it, and it's like new again, and then I've cleaned it right up, sorted the welds out, and made it not like a galvanised chassis like a brand new one, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was.
Yeah.
So, but it's not worth it on this.
So when you so what you're doing now is just getting rid of the worst of it.
Yeah,
Like
just repairing it so it lasts a little bit longer.
So just chopping out the thin stuff, I guess.
Yeah, so I'm taking it back so it's like back to the thicker stuff, and then I will clean this up properly so I can see how bad it is and how far down it goes. But I am just going to put a big plate along there just for a bit of extra structure as well. So rather than just a little plate along there, I'll just do a fuck off great big one.
Yeah.
Can you do me another massive favour?
Yeah.
Can you get me like a lever bar of some sort, please? That one, up, that one, and then like a medium. Yeah, that'll do, perfect. Thanks.
Why mechanic now?
Yeah, why not?
What are you doing with that?
I'm just seeing how bad it actually is by like levering it, seeing which bits move when I lever it. I remember this being a little bit easier last time, space-wise.
So we got chunky for Christmas.
It's lockdown podge. And lots of camembert. Oh, fuck. That's worse than I thought.
Is it?
Yeah. All of this. Oh. So if you look under there, this bit, all of that, that's where it's cracking, or gone rusty. What I'm going to do,
Put the kettle on.
yeah, no, what am I going to do, I'm going to have to chop this off.
What is that?
That is for the shock absorber, which I've put somewhere over there, just so I can get to it a bit better. So I'm going to cut this plate off, put it to one side so I can put it back on, and then I'm going to butt a big plate onto the old and go along there, and the same on the bottom. I mean, I can sink it in so it's flush.
Yeah.
But I need to see how bad it is behind this. Because it's not ideal that you've got the weight of the shock absorber on the bit that's fucked.
Yeah.
So this actually goes all the way through, and it's solid. So I've cut along the top, along the bottom, and then I'm gonna smooth this down and do a plate there with like a cutout bit there, along there and along there.
So it'll be one solid plate.
One solid plate just
that
with
cutout.
that bit cut out. Yeah, and then along the bottom as well, because it is. Where's the hole? There. I'm supposed to have rugby tonight, but.
What time are you going to finish? Late.
Well, I want to finish it today, so if it means staying late, then I'll stay late. So I am making what am I making? A template for the plate that I've got to put in, and we always make it out of thin cardboard, and it is fucking amazing.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. That's the end of where the plate, well, end of the hole, so I'll go a little bit further, about there, just to make sure that it's on decent enough metal. What are you doing? And then I'm going to go all the way along here, cut out where this little plate is, and go along, make it a bit wider, and go along. And obviously that bit, and then it goes wider again. Template for this bit along here. I'm now cleaning up underneath, and the rust goes all the way here. So I'll do a big plate along the
Big
bottom.
shout out to all you pot pickers out there, mate. Not half.
Shut up. There's also a little bit on this face as well, so I'll do a little bit there as well.
Ooh, just a little bit. Ooh, a little bit more.
This, the Dremel
Okay.
thing.
Die grinder.
Die grinder.
Yes, it's Welsh.
What else?
Die grinder, it is lovely. He's a nice bloke, Die. Yes, Welsh man called Die. Used to know a Welsh bloke many years ago when I was a kid, friends of my dad and everything. His name was Die, and he lived at a rectory where the vicar lived, you know, the old rectory. And it was called Directory. And when he moved from there, he was ex-directory. And that's the truth, folks.
I thought I was actually going somewhere.
That's as far as it went.
Anyway,
Where did I put the turkey cutter? Yeah. This is the turkey cutter.
And what sound does a turkey make, Charlie?
Go, 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 go.
That was rubbish. That was.
I haven't done it in ages. I can't do it.
Oh my God.
Wait, what noise does Donald Duck make? Get his
Where are you going, Mike?
get his cheeks in this one.
Health and safety in the fucking workplace, that was.
What about Donald Duck?
Donald Duck, yeah.
Yeah.
He's a nice bloke, Donald.
What noise does Donald Duck make?
Come on, we all know how to do a Donald Duck, don't we?
Go on then. See?
get lunch break?
Yeah. I've
There's
just eaten a
just
lot of
something-
food. A lot of food. I'm hungry, okay? Just finished this. What did I do? I can't think.
Yeah, repeat the same thing on the other side. Well, you're gonna
Yeah,
wax
so I cut it all out and I plated it there underneath and a little bit this side. The top side was absolutely fine. Then I'm gonna put some Schultz over the top of it so it's not bare metal.
What's Schultz?
Schultz is another version of like wax oil or Lano Guard. Just different brand, different name.
To
And
protect
then-
it.
Yes, yeah, protect it from rusting. What's supposed to anyway. And then I'm just going to do exactly the same on the other side. Put the tub back on, and you can have it back.
Nice. Happy days.
Yeah.
So now I've finished my job on the Honda, I'm just going to sit here and relax for the afternoon in the Nissan hot tub. Well, you get on and get the fucking thing finished.